Hi, I'm Lady Graell, founder and the director of the Goddess Temple of Ashland, Oregon, and author of Dragon Priestessing, my latest guidebook assisting people to have a better understanding and a deeper communion with the dragons in nature, in the elements. I myself have a profound relationship with dragons that visit me through earth, air, fire, and water. Of course, the spirit inside of me holds a wild dragon, but I also am so innately attuned to the dragons and how they show themselves through the sacred elements. I look forward to being with you on the time that we have that is listed, and I trust that we will all learn something beautiful and magical together. Until we meet again, blessed be.